recipe you need 350 grams of flour bread, 350 grams of semola rimacinata. If you are not able to find this kind of flour, you can make the recipe only with bread flour, okay? Then you need 455 grams of water, 1 tablespoon of malt. If you don't have malt, you can use a tablespoon of local honey. Then you need 2 grams of yeast and 15 grams of salt. Put the 2 flour in a bowl like this. Take a little bit of water in a glass, not too much, okay? Put the yeast inside and start mixing it very well, okay? Okay. Now you need 1 tablespoon of malt or honey if you don't have it. Okay. Put it directly in the flour. Oh. Help yourself with another spoon. And put the yeast in the flour. Okay, now we can use a KitchenAid. If you don't have it, you can use your hand, okay? Now we can activate the machine and we use number 2 speed. Finish to put your water and don't worry if at the beginning the dough looks like that. It's perfectly normal, you need time. When the dough looks like that, add the salt. Okay, after 20 minutes our dough is ready. We need other 2 steps. Work the dough with the palm of your hand like this and came back making a roll, okay? Change position and do another time like this, okay? Back, making a roll. And at the end you need to make a ball. A nice ball, okay? A nice ball like this. Very nice. What do you think? Put this bread in something like this. And let it rest for about 4 to 6 hours, okay? Hey guys, 5 hours are passed. Wow, wow, wow. Do you remember it was a small our ball? Look at that now. So we need to do another step. Very, very easy. Put some flour on your table. Okay. Voila. Good. Okay. A little bit more flour. Okay. Now we need to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we need to make another ball, okay? Like this. Is it beautiful? Look at this. Okay. Wonderful, magical. Now the dough needs to rest for 30 minutes. Please cover it. Hello! I promise you this is our final step. So bring a little bit of flour on the surface of our dough, like this. And then we need to create the shape for our pagnotta, okay? First of all, make a little border, like to create a priest cup, okay? Like this. It's so soft, beautiful. Okay, see the little border. Then using a knife you need to draw on the surface a triangle, okay? 1, 2, and 3, okay? Put the bread in the oven preheated to 460 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then lower the oven temperature to 455 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes and let it sit. Our pane is ready. Look what a beautiful pagnotta. Ciao da Laura!